Alright guys, we got the Crown Vic done, we got the race done. Today, we are burnout rivals, and we're gonna go ahead and shred skids. All right, our good friend Preston is up from Garage Idiots. He has worked on this little hot rod for a hot minute. He has just non-stop thrashed to get here, and now he's here, and we can't wait to see how he does. This is his first burnout competition, and I think he'll do really good. I think he was pretty nervous, but I think he's gonna do great out here. He's built himself one badass little hot rod, and this should turn out really cool. Let's go, Garage Idiots. Go, Preston! Here comes our friend Kevin, his K-Swap little Ford Ranger.
Down there.
Oh yeah, this is his buddy that won, that donated to the build, Mark. Drive shaft. All right, here we go. Kyle is about to go shred the minivan. What a unit.
This work tirelessly to help us get this thing running.
we got Kyle coming up. I cannot wait to see this thing. It's gonna put on one heck of a show. This crowd's gonna go nuts for this thing.
I can hear some. Who's excited to see what they want to do? Let's hear it.
Good with that thing.
That's pretty awesome.
Like, the thing doesn't look like it's easy to like deal with all of that. And
Yeah, but it puts on a show.
Make it a show. Like, I feel like it's harder to put on a show than just do a burnout. Because
Yeah.
like, you can do the burnout and not do the smoke and the flames and all that.
Yeah.
You know.
JA2. JH's tire laying out there. Nice job, buddy. All right, guys, we're getting ready to shred. Kirsty's riding with me. I cannot wait to just shred this pit and show her a good time. Woo! It's gonna be absolutely sick.
Let's go all in the placer. Skiddy. Oh, we're doing some cleanup. You got a minute.
All right, they got us down for a little cleanup. I was pretty jazzed up. I'm gonna take a quick nap, and then I'm gonna come right back right after this commercial break.
What did he do? Blow a bunch of shit up or something?
Today, doing some very long skids. Now, the pad surface we've got here is super, super smooth.
Which way you going?
And that means you're not getting as
You'll
much
find out.
time into these tires, which means they last longer. Looks like we have a clean pad.
We got Brent.
spacer's done.
Yeah, we're good.
Good?
I'm good.
You okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay.
It was just
Guys,
slick.
get out. It ain't gonna move.
It was slick.
Yeah.
Guys, okay?
Yeah, perfect.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Just washed.
I know.
Damn it.
It was just hooked up.
Yep.
You guys all right?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
Dang it, dude.
It happens, brother. I've done it twice.
On the other side of the pad.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're just hoping Brent's okay. Any first here getting out the car.
Not our month. What do you think will happen?
It won't steer. It won't steer.
Yeah, Brent!
And you can see in the video, the ground was starting to rotate when he hit the brakes. It just locked up the front and pushed. And that's not really his fault. The burnout pad is certainly covered in every fluid that could possibly come out of a automobile.
No, look at it.
Just to see
Brent,
that shimmer on it.
there's a belt on it. Is there fluid?
Here, try and clean it as best we can, but it's tough.
Okay, but
It's tough, right?
oil and everything's good?
Hate to see my buddy go
Okay.
down that way. On a burnout pad, but today we saw just that.
Jamie!
Yeah, we've seen everything. That car actually used to belong to Mr. Allen. He gave it to me.
Okay.
I think it's basically.
The back tires have lost wheel speed. Oh. The back tires drug the motor down.
Like Jamie said, not our month. My poor skids, man. Well, that did not go according to plan. Skids is pretty beat up right now, guys. Our body guy is gonna be hard at work. First we got Jamie's car, now Skids. This is gonna be a busy winter. I wasn't even planning on bringing it home. I was gonna leave it out here in Florida and have it ready for April.
100% not your fault.
Hey, these things happen, man.
They're still cleaning the track up from the break from before you.
Yeah, it was so slick.
Yep. You went
I washed through it and I just couldn't
Yep.
with push bars.
Yeah, with the Nexo cage.
Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it.
Well,
It did not go according to plan.
no. I watched the video though. You were driving your ass off.
I just drove straight.
You was driving though.
I didn't even go. I didn't get nowhere yet.
Hey, it drove off the pad though.
It did.
Back to it.
Back to it. I'm bummed.
I pushed over there just in time to see you take her into the wall.
I was coming out like normal, and then all of a sudden it just, I couldn't steer, I couldn't stop, I couldn't do nothing. It just felt like I was stuck.
Skiddy did
A skid.
a long skid
Yeah,
into the wall.
that's what it felt like.
back
Yeah.
tires gripped up like it was a
Yeah, I just
racetrack.
stayed planted and it didn't turn at all.
Didn't turn at all. And I was in there trying to shut it down. I just couldn't do anything. The momentum was there.
You didn't lose any sort of that doesn't have any transmission dowel pins or anything, does it? No, this was out.
But it did.
This was out on the pad.
Oh no, that does.
That's definitely our dowel pin.
Is it?
100%.
Yep,
150% our dowel pin.
Okay, because I was like, they picked it up. I'm like, that is a projectile.
Yeah, that is our dowel pin.
Well,
That
That is from the glide into the adapter.
Yep. It is. Dang, dude. Dang, dude. Not skids, bro.
Pretty bad, huh?
It's bad, dude.
I saw the hood all crinkled up. Oh, man. Yeah, you're not supposed to have that much camber on there.
And then, like, look at the motor plate there.
So
Yeah,
the
that
tab
was a
on the
good
frame
one.
rail is supposed to be in line with the front of the motor.
Dang it.
Dang it.
Yeah, look at all that. That motor plate's so bent up.
These
She's
things
had some-
happen.
At least she's had some good rips
She's had some
in
successes
her
for
past,
sure.
and she's won before. She's a winner.
Yeah, she is a winner.
So
And we can do all the things that we've talked about wanting to do to it and just never have time, so.
because
So-
we literally never do anything to it.
But now we gotta do Jamie's crash car, and now we got Skid's crash car. That's in a month.
You guys are gonna turn into some.
And we've got my
like
truck in the body shop.
You
Yeah.
guys are gonna turn into rebuild channels.
Yeah.
Rebuilding
Unfortunately.
a total burnout car, part 1. Assessing the damage. Part 2.
I'm gonna need all these ideas. You guys in for this? Get in the comments and let me know.
Yeah, that freaking sucks. But I know you guys will get her fixed up.
Yeah.
Skiddy's a good one.
Skiddy is a good one. It's got that flavored character. I love her.
At least all the windows are intact.
Yep.
Those aren't easy.
Thank gosh.
He is good at that. This is where it ends for Brett.
I love how nobody said that when everybody else was writing it.
First time.
So is
Wide
Brent
open
the
throttle.
craziest person here, or what? Is that why everybody's scared?
He looks like he was going pretty tame with it, but he gets a little too comfortable sometimes.
Did you guys see Chris's scar from this thing?
No, how come we didn't get told about that?
Yeah, look. He likes to show everybody after he rides it.
Oh.
Yeah, after 15 screws in the plate. It was on that same bike. Shoulder blade and collarbone. Probably in bed like. Not too bad.
Not as bad as you think.
Okay, now he's gonna go for a 60-foot.
This is awesome. I need one. That was fantastic.
It's pretty powerful.
Oh, it's so good. It's so smooth.
The man himself.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Dude, that shit's fantastic.
Dude.